Phoenix Contact's single-pair Ethernet SPE connectors are useful for field cabling to and from control cabinets, sensors, and field devices. Single-pair Ethernet is innovative, efficient, and future-proof, bringing bidirectional, high-performance transmission of data and power through one twisted pair using power over data line. In addition, SPE has the unique capability of transmission up to 1,000 meters, compared to traditional Ethernet, which is limited to 100-meter cable runs. Phoenix Contact's SPE cable assemblies are ideal for complex industrial networks and IoT applications with an IP20 or IP67 rating. Single-pair Ethernet opens up new fields of application and enables smart device communication. Standardized SPE connectors from Phoenix Contact are ideally suited for efficient data transmission in factory and process automation.